Best way to keep cooked leftovers fresh in the fridge. To safely store cooked food in the refrigerator, cool it rapidly, divide large portions into shallow containers, and place them in airtight, leak-proof containers. Label the containers with the date, and refrigerate within 2 hours of cooking to prevent bacterial growth. Store ready-to-eat items like leftovers on the top shelf, above raw foods to avoid cross-contamination. Leftovers should generally be consumed within 3 to 4 days. Cool the food quickly. Divide large items. For large quantities of food, divide them into smaller, shallow portions to help them cool faster. Cool before sealing. Allow food to cool partially before sealing it in airtight containers, but do not leave it at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Store it safely. Use proper containers. Transfer cooled food into airtight, leak-proof containers or resealable bags. Label and date. Label each container with the name of the food and the date it was stored to help you use older leftovers first. Refrigerate promptly. Place sealed containers in the refrigerator immediately. Organize your fridge. Temperature. Make sure your refrigerator is set to 4 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or below. Placement. Store ready-to-eat foods, such as cooked leftovers, on the top shelf. Avoid overpacking. Don't overfill the fridge. Allow for proper airflow so the cool air can circulate freely. Know when to use it. Use within a few days. Cooked leftovers should be consumed within 3 to 4 days. Freeze for longer storage. If you won't eat the leftovers in time, freeze them for longer storage.